Thank you for watching. This is the third video of the 206 senior race from March 16th at the All-Star karting track. And this is the main race, and I really invite you to watch the first two race of Heat 1, Heat 2, or qualifying to kind of get a more context of the day. This is the end of the day. But just make it really short. This is my first time racing the 206 senior. I've done a good job racing the Masters last year, and I've decided to kind of push myself, throw myself over the edge and race with people here. Most of them probably half of my age up front, and what I was really more specifically looking for here, and you can see from my other two videos, is racecraft. These kids are not only fast, I think they're much smarter in traffic and deciding on when to pass, how to pass, and strategy on working with other people to move forward in the race. And you've seen it in the last two video. There's tons more here, and let's just jump on. Here we are. Gotta start a race. Let me just kind of shut up while we head into turn one. Oh, oops. This is not it. This is still the warm-up lap. Let's go. Here we are. Here's the final. Here's the corner right before the start. And you can see the sun start kind of really set. We were quite late that day, and that will actually become quite a big problem later in the race. Here we go, green flag, turn one. Now let me really shut up. Yeah, so not bad, right? That in a master's class, it would not be that clean. So that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Given that many cards, right, and being that aggressive. Here I am trying to be a bit more optimistic, and I'm paying for it now. So here I made a mistake, and I'm waving card 44 by. And this is actually quite very important. In this class, if you made a mistake like that, 110% there's somebody behind you, if not two or four, taking advantage of it. There's no point trying to block and take the racing line. It's actually better to wave the person by, so you can recover, only losing one position, and you don't lose all the carts in front of you. You don't lose time against them, and you have more chance to get those positions back if you're truly faster later on in your race. Had me and card 44 fought about that one, we would have lost the pack up there. So I decided to wave them by. It's something I learned in the first two heat races. And sure enough, here you go, right? We would not be here to take advantage of that person dropping off had we fought back here a lap before. And here now the job is just really single file. If the person up there is just as fast as you, sliding faster, there is no point to do anything stupid. Go, just follow. Make progress with the pack. Make progress. You're not only racing with the person up front, you're racing with the entire pack. And so working with people to move up is a good thing. Here I'm trying to work with them. I think we just dropped somebody else out in the infield over there. All right, this is still the beginning of the race. We still got a lot of people flying off the road, dropping off. Sure enough, you see over there. So we're not really in the rhythm yet to do good laps. We're here. I'm at least for me, it was just kind of making sure I don't hit somebody in the back just because something happened or get caught up in something. For me, is finish the race. Finish the race. That was going through my head, right? It's my first 206 senior race. Finish it. now we got a little, now I'm dropping back a little bit now, but it gives me a little opportunity to focus, to kind of, dig a little deeper, get in my rhythm, which I probably didn't do there in that corner. That wasn't great. But here we go, see, right? These things are still happening. I just took advantage of that one. I got lucky, but I'm gonna take advantage. I'm gonna take it. There you go, I just gained, I don't know, 3 paces up there, just as simple as that, right? Now here's my responsibility to crank out good laps, because I just overtook 3 people that potentially faster than me. I don't want to be the bottleneck of the train. I need to get up there, and it's my responsibility to get car 21. At least get close and get by, right? Because if I don't, then I'm gonna get eaten up. So here you go. Now we're 3-4 laps into a race. I'm getting into rhythm here. And I think, outright pace, I'm probably faster than a few other people around me here. I qualified pretty good, a little up front, more forward than this. And this is about me just learning racing in this tight pack, making the right decisions, and not making a mistake, when there's a lot of cars around me. So now I'm getting a feeling like, hey, I think I'm a little faster than this person. Let me size them up, find the right place to do it. And this is so much fun. In the master's class, this by the time this is the middle of the race here, the person will be like 3 seconds up the road, and the person behind me will be like 4 seconds back. You're just driving home. This is a fist fight for the entire race. There you go, I did it. I got a good exit out of this corner. Yeah, sure enough, I'm gonna get him here. I have to do it. And because I didn't finish it, I paid the price now, right? I mean, obviously, car 44, that was a little bit too aggressive, but for sure, there's probably no other way to end that for me to end up there, just because, something happened and people are going to take advantage of it. Sure enough, I lost 4 more positions. I think those are the 4 I probably gained a couple laps earlier. This good. I just did that corner pretty good. Now I'm gonna kind of, this is staying calm, keep racing. I've learned so much in this race. This is so good. I think this is one single race I've learned, probably more than racing 3-4 times in the Masters last year. Oh, see, there you go, right? Do not give up. There's always somebody dropping off the road. Just keep going. And here we go. Bam. That was 2 or 3 positions. 1 more here, right? Stay in it. I think the biggest goal is stay in it. Do not do anything stupid. Stay in it. Do not be the one causing those situations. I made a couple of mistakes, but because I didn't make a big deal out of it, I was able to kind of not lose so much time for those mistakes I made by waving people by. Now it's getting a little tough to catch the people up front, but I'll keep trying. Like I said, I'm obliged. Not only, I can't give up, and I'm obliged in some way that I owe the people behind me, because now I'm just holding them up, right? You can see in the shadow, there's probably like 6 people behind me. I can see in the shadow right there, right? So I got to do it. If I don't do it, I'm going to get pushed off the road. I gotta do it. I can't just stay here. I don't think that was a good exit out of the last corner, so I might have to pay for it here. Yep, I did. You see, all right, I just pay for it. I have to pay for it, right? There's no point for me to block her, you know, car 610 down there. There's no point. Because now we can get up to that red card up there. Or maybe we're just lapping this person's kind of X here. Yeah, so that's probably not it. So she's not reading him correctly. So that got me, like, I think that gave me an opportunity to get by her because, but then again, you know, I getting by them, I was so slow up the hill. I was kind of knew she was gonna, she got a probably better run, so there's no point holding her up, let her go. Yeah, this is so much fun, even though I'm actually doing mostly 2-cycle racing this year. And another track, just watching this is so exciting, right? This is so exciting. The carts are so slow, and they're just trying to milk out like every last inch of momentum. I think I'm now finally got into another rhythm. I'm gonna creeping up to her now. Yes, there you go, that corner. And you notice nobody's actually making an aggressive pass on me. As long as I'm making progress, the person behind is not going to make an aggressive lunge because they know I'm making progress and they want to make progress with me. And this is why I kind of really like the senior racing. This is really, really so much fun, right? And the Masters is like, you know, somebody was, oh my God, you know, I only got 2 laps left. Got nothing to lose now. Let me just throw it down there. Here, you know, I'm making progress. I'm making progress. And I'm only going to get punished if I make a mistake. You can see in the shadows there's somebody casing me really, really close, so I can't make a mistake. And this is the time when just, you know, see the sun. If you can't see very well in the video, I can't see shit by that time. I was like, oh my God, I can't see anything. The sun just straight into your eye, and like as we're gonna turn left here, straight in your eye, see shit. I can't see anything. Here's the last lap. But I don't know if I saw it then because I can't see. I'm seeing it in the video, but I don't know if I knew. I'm still trying really hard to get on our case here. Here you go, sure enough. Right, she's fading a little bit. I think I'm gonna get a little. I'm gonna try it. It's the last lap. I gotta try it. And there you go. See you again, right? Anytime something goes wrong, expect to lose a position. I probably should not have taken that lunge because, you know, this rate of success was probably pretty low, and now I got to pay for it with another one, right? Probably better just drive home behind her. There you go. That's so much fun. I am so glad I did this race. Yeah, I mean, it's just really, really, really fun. Unfortunately, the April race got rained out, and the May race, I have a conflict with my 2-cycle race, but I'm really, really looking forward to another 4-cycle race at Prairie City, and I miss everybody over there. So, anyway, I'll look forward to that. Back in I think in June, we're not gonna be back there racing in June. But anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao.